Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the second episode of backtesting my Forex strategy step by step. Guys, you remember the last video, guys, we were backtesting trends, right? Market structure. So on today's video, guys, we're just gonna backtest support and resistance. You understand me, guys? So I don't want to waste time, guys. Without any further ado, just make sure you subscribe, guys, like this video, and obviously, guys, comment at the end of the video and let me know what you think about today's video. You understand me, guys? So let's backtest support and resistance. Speaking of that, guys, I'm actually looking at gold, right? And as you can see, guys, I'm trading gold just based off support and resistance, right? If I have to go to the daily time frame just to show you how I'm looking at gold today, let me just do this. Go to the daily time frame so you can be able to see, right? Let me just do like this. You understand me? So gold, basically, guys, I'm just taking a counter trend. The reason for that is because it's clear that gold is in a downtrend, right? Why do I say that? Because price here, guys, it was moving towards the upside, giving us these highs and obviously giving us our last high, and then from there, guys, price broke our last higher low, right? So turning this now into a low. You understand me? Remember, guys, an uptrend, guys, we never break lows, we always break highs. You understand me? So yeah, after this is basically what's happening. And obviously, now with that being said, guys, I am looking at gold like this. Obviously, we have our first touch here, second touch, and we are just waiting for a third touch. You understand me? So I'm not gonna go on the 4-hour time frame or anything like that. I'm just gonna jump straight to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, what I saw, guys, is that obviously now we have this nice resistance, break above, fake out, in and out. You understand me? And now price broke above. Wow, price broke above again, gave us a retest, got my confirmations. And just look at that, bro. Gold is literally just shooting up. So yeah, man, let's just jump into it and backtest support and resistance. You understand me? So I'm not gonna go on the 4-hour or the daily for this, guys. Even the 1 hour is okay. You understand me? Like support and resistance, honestly speaking, I just use it on any time frame because, like, I never trade support and resistance alone, guys. I obviously have to add other confluences. You understand me? I obviously have to add other confluences to that. So let's just do a theoretical example, right, of support and resistance, guys. You obviously know now that we have two type of structures, guys. For me, the way I trade support and resistance, I have to see something specific. You understand me? So let me show you what I want to see. You understand me? So we have something like this, and we have something like this. You understand me? And we have something like this. You get what I'm saying? So for me, guys, in order for me to trade support and resistance properly, obviously now you see here, guys, price was going up, price resisted, and then broke the resistance. You understand me? And the same scenario with this one, guys. Price went up, resisted, came down, resisted again, and obviously now broke. You understand me? So for me, guys, which one is most preferably for me to trade? Obviously, it's the second one. Why do I say that, guys? Because price not only resisted here once, but it also came back again to resist the second time. So obviously now I can't say this is a ceiling, guys. I can't say this is a ceiling once price rejected only once. You understand me? But this is clearly a ceiling. Why do I say that? Because it rejected once and obviously rejected again. So with that being said, guys, once price reaches to the downside, gives me all my confirmation here, guys, obviously I'll be confident to take the trades to go all the way to the upside rather than waiting for price to come with this one. Obviously, even if it gives me confirmation, sometimes, guys, it obviously just goes up, but most of the time what it does, it just, does things like this weird stuff, guys, which I don't guys, like, I don't trade like that. You get what I'm saying? So let's just jump into it and backtest support and resistance, guys. Let's go all the way. You know how we do it with support and resistance, right? Let's go all the way, guys. Let's go all the way. I'm gonna show you with both examples, guys. I'm gonna show you with both examples on how support and resistance, the one I prefer and the one the other one that I showed you, how it works, right? So let's just see how things are. You understand me? So here, guys, if we're gonna be practical about things, guys, we just, okay, yeah, let me start just right over here, guys. So here, guys, in terms of support and resistance, you can see that here, guys, we had a support, right? You can see that here we had a support, right? Price obviously went down here, rejected. Let me just do this. Price went down here, rejected off here, went up, gave us the V, came back again, rejected, went up, right? And then after that, guys, obviously we had a breakout, right? Upon having the breakout, guys, what happened? Price came back again, once again. You understand me? I'm assuming that price here was in a downtrend. You understand me? Because support and resistance along with market structure, guys, they go hand in hand. You understand me? They go hand in hand. And if you're gonna counter trend, it's just a risk that you are gonna take. You understand me? But otherwise, just go with trending markets. Don't counter trend, guys. I wouldn't advise that. You understand me? Even if you see me doing it, don't do it, guys. I wouldn't advise it. So upon having the breakout, guys, price came back again and it retested, guys, even though now there's no confirmation. Remember, guys, I'm not gonna focus on any confirmations for now. We are gonna backtest confirmations on other videos, but for now, let's just focus on support and resistance, right? Price supported here, broke below. Now it came back and resisted, and look at what happened. Price dropped, right? Simply because of why we had two taps, guys. We had two support. It supported twice before it broke, right? Unlike supporting once and then breaking and then, you know, stuff like that. It's not, for me, it's not advisable. You understand me? Like, for real, guys, like, for me, it's not advisable. Same thing happened here, guys. Same thing happened here, right? Let's just do this. Same thing happened here. So we can see that price here came above here, obviously rejected, guys, here, gave us a down move and went up again, guys. Obviously, upon going up, it rejected again, right? So what do? We just simply stretch it. If, let's say, obviously you are active around these times, you see your other confluences, whatever, what happened here, guys? Price gave us a breakout, right? It happens, guys. Sometimes it happens that price gives us these fake outs, right? But then it gave us a breakout, came back inside again, guys, and obviously upon coming back, it gave us a retest. You understand me? So this is a breakout and this is also a breakout, and obviously now it gave us a retest. And with your confirmations, guys, what happened? You can see that price melted, right? This is why I say, guys, never trade support and resistance alone, guys. Try to confluence your trades with other, obviously, methods, right? Like trend lines, uptrend, downtrend, you know, and then support and resistance, candlesticks, momentum, stuff like that, guys. You understand me? So that's what that's something of which, guys, obviously I'm gonna tell you. And then the other example, guys, the other example of that support and resistance is this one. You see here, guys, look at this. You see here what happened. You see here what happened. Price obviously was going down, rejected here. It went up, right? It went up, but I wouldn't say this is a floor, guys. Price just went up, but then it obviously played, and then upon playing, guys, it came all the way down. Instead of rejecting again, guys, price did what? Price gave us a fake out here. You understand me? So this is why I say once price get here, you can't buy immediately, guys. You have to wait for your, obviously, your confirmation. And obviously, guys, with confirmation, like, I never enter my trades based off just because price rejected once here, came back again, rejected here. Even if it gives me confirmation, I won't enter, guys. You understand me? Unless I have other confluences. But based off just support and resistance, I wouldn't. You understand me? This is why we have things like this, fake outs. It didn't respect. So this is invalid, guys. This is invalid. Like, this is clearly invalid. You get what I'm saying, guys? Like, you have to learn these things, guys. You have to learn these things. And then if we have to continue, guys, if we have to continue, look at this one. Here we have support and resistance, right? Let me just take it up until here. Let me just take it up until here. So we back testing support and resistance right now, right? So here, guys, you can see that price pushed up, rejected here, guys, went down, obviously gave us a V. Even here it rejected, even though it didn't reject hard, but it still rejected. You understand me? Then came above here, guys, gave us this minor fake out, but still rejected and going down, right? So if we have to stretch it, guys, if we have to stretch it, you see now price came back again, rejected, guys, gave us this huge rejection, confirmation, went all the way down. You understand me? Same thing happened here. Why is price keep on doing this? Because it not only rejected once or twice, guys, it's been rejecting, guys. It rejected at least 2 times. This is why the 3rd time it respected. You understand me? So you can see that upon rejecting twice, the 3rd time it respected. The 4th time it came back again, guys, and obviously it did what? It rejected. You understand me? And then when we have a breakout, guys, this is what I love about support and resistance. The breakouts, guys, they always make sense. You understand me? The breakout, they always make sense. Price gave us this breakout here. We didn't get a proper retest, but I'm sure if we go on lower time frames, there's probably a nice retest here to go where? To go all the way to the upside. You understand me? This is why I say, guys, with support and resistance, never trade it alone, guys. Just try to confluence your trades with other, obviously, methods. You understand me, guys? Just try to do that, guys, and then you'll be okay. You'll be okay. So let's just move on, guys. With support and resistance, guys, like I really don't want to keep this video too long, because you know why, guys? Like, support and resistance is something that's easy, guys. Like, it's just a confluence. You don't really need to add support and resistance as your confluence. You understand me? You can simply trade market structure like the downtrends, third touch with other confluences, and exclude support and resistance, right? Support and resistance is just something of which you can add. You don't really need it, guys. I don't know with other people, but me, I don't necessarily need it. Like, most of my trades, guys, they don't even have support and resistance, right? So continuing, you can see that here price came rejected off here, right? So upon rejecting, guys, it came back again, guys, and rejected once again and gave us this V. You understand me? So now this is a ceiling. This is a proper ceiling, guys. This is a proper ceiling. Besides it, what's this word, man? Hey, I'll cut this video here. This is a proper ceiling. You understand me? So price here came again, gave us this V, rejected once again. Upon giving us confirmations, look at what happened. Price literally dropped. You understand me? So with support and resistance, guys, it's really that simple. That's why I say I'm not gonna keep this video too long, guys. I'm just gonna keep it simple, right? Then let's see here, guys. Here price rejected, right? So one would say this is a what? This is a support, because price rejected. But no, this is not a support. Why do I say that? Because price here, guys, it rejected once. After rejecting, what happened? It just broke. This is why even if we stretch this here, guys, this is why even if we stretch here, we're not getting a proper retest. You understand me? Price is just doing what I told you it would do. Just doing sorry about that, just doing stuff like this, right? Breaking. So basically it's not respecting, it's just fluctuating between obviously the support or resistance, the way you call it. You understand? So yeah, man, with support and resistance, is basically just that easy to trade. Simply, even here, guys, you see price here rejected once, went down, came back again, now confirming. This rejection confirms that this is a proper resistance. You understand? And then obviously on the third one, guys, if you have your confirmations, you can take your trades to go where? To go all the way to the downside, guys. Because why? We know that this is a proper ceiling. Why do we say that? Because it rejected once, it rejected twice, confirming that this is a proper ceiling. Just like trend lines, guys, just like trend lines. If price rejects once here, we obviously have to wait for another rejection to confirm that this trend line is valid, right? So the same thing with support and resistance, guys. Just wait for your third rejection. Just wait for your second rejection to confirm your resistance or support, and then on the third one, guys, just wait for your confirmation, right? But remember, also use other confluences, guys. Never use support and resistance as confluence alone. You get what I'm saying, guys? So even here, if we have to do this, I'll just show you. Even here, if we have to do this, guys, you can see that price here came rejected, guys, and then here rejecting again confirms that, okay, now this is a ceiling, right? And then obviously now price went up, rejected again. You understand? The reason why, guys, it didn't go all the way down, it probably has something to do with the fact that maybe price wasn't in a downtrend here. Maybe price was trending up. You understand me? But then let's continue and stretch it. What happened after that, guys? After the breakout, guys, we had a retest. You understand me? We had a retest, guys. Upon the retest, if we have our confirmations and obviously using other strategies, guys, other confluences, price went up. You understand me? So basically with support and resistance, guys, this is just a video for me to show you how support and resistance really work and how you can use it to your advantage. You understand me? So same thing happened with the And even if we stretch this one, guys, you'll see how it's being respected over and over and over again. You understand me? So here, obviously, we have a young fake out, price played along, but then it's respected once again. You understand me? With support and resistance that only rejects once, you won't find price respecting the market like this. You understand me? Like here, guys, look at here. Price only resisted once. You understand me? This is why we never had a proper retest, and even if we had a retest, it never went down, 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 down. It just fluctuated. You understand me? So just be careful of that, guys. Remember, this one compared to this one, this is the most powerful because it rejected once, twice. You understand me? Confirming that, okay, this is a ceiling. This doesn't confirm anything, guys. This can simply just do this. Having our resistance there, this can just simply do this. But with this one, guys, it's a rare, guys. It can do that, but it's a rare. You understand? Most of the time it respects. So this is why I say know the difference between the two and try to mix it up with other confluences. Don't try to trade support and resistance alone, guys. Use trend lines too. You understand me? It will help you guys to understand that, okay, if we use trend lines like here, I know it's the 1 hour time frame, but this is an example, right? If we use a trend line, we see first touch, second touch, third touch. We also have a support. This support is valid because why? It rejected here once, rejected here twice, broke above, retested, gave us a third touch, other confluences, and this is why it bought so hard. You understand me? So this is why I say, guys, just go on your drawing board, try to back test support and resistance as much as you can, guys. Like, I don't want to keep this video too long with support and resistance, guys. This is what I want you to know, guys. Know the difference, guys. Know the difference. I keep on drawing. You understand me? Know the difference. This one, for me, you can trade it, but for me, this is invalid. This one, correct, guys. You understand me? Wait for price to reject twice before you can, even if here it doesn't break, even if it gives you confirmation for sales, don't hesitate. Just sell, guys. Why? Because we have 2 rejections already. The third one is always an entry point, guys. You understand me? So yeah, man. With this video, I'm just gonna keep it that short, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think I'm telling you, I don't wanna swear, because it's YouTube, but do you think I'm telling you cut, or do you think this is worth it for you to watch? You understand me? If it's worth it, give me that thumbs up, guys, and obviously let me know what you think in this video in the comment section, right? Otherwise, guys, subscribe, guys, till the next one. Yes, sir.